Welcome to White Hat Ways. In this video, we'll be learning about structured snippets extension. Structured snippets extension is an extension which is similar to callout extensions. Callout extensions are more emotional in nature. However, structured snippet extensions are more practical in nature. They highlight the various aspects of a particular product. So structured snippets again are non-clickable, as are the callout extensions. They are also meant for increasing the real estate of an ad and thereby getting you the click-through rates. So structured snippet extensions come under specified headers which are defined by Google, and we need to just mention the information in within those specified headers as Google is providing us. So let's go ahead to the site and see what the site says, and then thereby we will also see how do these structured snippets look like. So let's move to the slide. So it says use structured snippets for practical product service info. Save callouts for benefits and promos. So structured snippets are more for practical product and the service info. It is for whatever you as a entity is providing rather than triggering the emotions of the audience. However, call-out extensions are more towards triggering the emotions of the audience, like 24/7 customer service, 100 plus satisfied customers, peace of mind guaranteed, top customer service representatives, expert friendly service, 70 plus years of experience, try it free, easy to use, make things easy, history of results. All these are triggering the emotions of a particular person. They are not the authentic information. They are just meant for triggering the emotions so that the person gets aroused. However, structured snippets would be the actual information which you would be sharing with your audience. So let's move on again to the slide. They are very similar to callouts but structured with a parent category. So as I have already told you, they would be coming under headers which are already defined by Google. All we have to do is choose the relevant header and specify the information in within that header. Now the second point again is the same only, which says predefined list of headers you can choose from. So you can choose between these headers whichever is relevant to you and then specify the information which is the actual information pertaining to your product. So these headers could be amenities, brands, courses, destinations. So let's say you are somebody who is selling garments, so you may choose brands. Which are the brands that you are selling of? Similarly, if you run an institute which is providing various kinds of courses, so you might go ahead and choose courses and thereby you may list those courses and you can provide the information. If you are a travel agency, you might go in for a destinations as the header. Now let's go to the third point and see what it says. Up to 2 headers can show with one ad. So you can show 2 headers with one ad. Now they also help potential visitors with more context and information about your products. So they would be giving information about your products rather than the frills which come along with your product. While callouts would be highlighting the frills, the structured snippets would majorly be highlighting the actual information which pertains to the product. So they are non-emotional. So the fifth point says they are more informational in nature than promotional. So they are more informational. They would tend to give the information pertaining to your products or the services, like which brands are you offering, which courses are you offering, Which destinations as a travel agency are you catering for? What are the styles of various products that you are offering? What is the insurance coverage that you are offering under various insurance plans that you are selling? If you are a college, then what all are your degree programs? So these are the things which are more informational in nature rather than being promotional. A promotional offer could be to lure somebody towards you. Informational can also lure somebody towards you, but then till some point, till the point of a concrete information. Then comes the second last point, which says these extensions are practical in nature. So as has been told, these are more practical in nature rather than being emotional. Last point says, it's said that Google prefers structured snippets more than call out extensions. So Google prefers structured snippets more than the call out extensions. Why? The reason could be that these are the headers which are already defined by Google, wherein the advertiser is just supposed to give the information. So Google would prefer structured snippets more than the call out extensions. Now let's go to the next slide and see how do these structured snippets extensions look like. So moving on to the next slide, as we see, structured snippet extensions are non-clickable. Like call out extensions, these are also not clickable. You cannot click on them. You can just see them as an audience. Now, this is how these particular structured snippets extensions would look like. We have the header as services, and under services header, we have all these structured snippets which are appearing. Configurable HR platform, dedicated account manager, all these are the structured snippets which we have set under services. So let's move on to the campaign and see how would we go ahead and configure these structured snippets in our campaign. So we are already in the making of the campaign, and over here you can see under bidding comes the ad extensions, and in within the ad extensions can you find out structured snippets extension. So I will have to click over here to open this up, and I would go down below. Over here I can see new structure snippet extension. I'll have to click on this particular thing, and as you can see, this opens up. Add new structure snippet extension is where I need to fill up the details. Now for the purpose of learning structure snippets extension, I am presuming that I am selling off the courses for simplylearn.com. There are various courses which this particular website is selling off. As you can see all the courses, and here you can find various courses which this particular website is selling off. So for the purpose of learning structure snippets extension, I am presuming that I am selling one of these courses, maybe Digital Marketing Associate. This is the course I am selling off. So how would I actually punch in my information, this information, in the structure snippets extension which comes in the campaign flow? So let the language be English. Select header type. So I'll have to select the header type. Now as we have seen, this is a particular course, so I'll have to select course. Had it been garment, I would have chosen brand. Had it been shoes, I would have chosen brand. Had it been a car, I would have chosen model. Had it been some service, I would have chosen service catalog. Had it been a drama or a theater, I would have chosen shows. So in this particular case, I am choosing course because that is the most relevant thing that I can find out. So I am choosing course over here. Over here, I need to give in the values. The predefined values, as Google is suggesting, is creative writing, data structures, linear algebra. However, this is not what we are going to sell off. So in this particular case, what we are selling off is Digital Marketing Associate course. So I'll be writing Digital Marketing Associate. Now as you can see, I am exceeding it by 2 characters, so I would write maybe Digital Marketing course. Then let's go ahead and see various other courses which this particular website is offering. We have 3 places right here, and even if we want to add more, we can still click on add value and we can get other places to fill them up. So let's get hold of the other courses. I go to digital marketing and they are selling advanced email marketing, advanced mobile marketing, advanced PPC. So I'll fill in these details. I'll come over here again and I would write advanced email marketing. So I'm well in limits. It's 24 characters that I have acquired. However, it is permitting 25. Then advanced mobile marketing, advanced PPC. So over here I still have quite a few characters remaining. Maybe I'll just write codes. Still some characters are missing, that's okay. So if I want, I can further add values and list out my courses. So I'll again go over here, maybe digital marketing 101. So I will write digital marketing 101. So if you have even further values, you can keep adding them, clicking over here. Thereby, once you have taken all the places and once you are satisfied, what you need to do is just click on save. And you can see this will appear like this, and all the values that we have filled in over here are actually coming over here. So this is how you would be making the structured snippets extensions. So with this, I end up this session on structured snippets. Thanks a lot for listening to me. Please go ahead and subscribe to White Hat Ways. Thank you.